Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel OMC Online Maths Classes. In this video, I'm going to explain the concept sign of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c. In the previous videos, already we discussed what is a quadratic expression, what is a quadratic equation, how to find the roots of a quadratic equation, and relation between the roots and coefficients of quadratic equation, and maximum value, minimum value. Also already we discussed that. But in this video, I am going to talk about this concept. Let's get into the topic. To understand the concept of sign change of expression, we need to discuss three important theorems. This is the first theorem. The statement of the theorem is, if ax square plus bx plus c has non-real roots, that means delta less than 0, then a nothing but x square coefficient and expression will have the same sign. Here the same sign means if a is positive, expression is positive. If a is negative, expression is also negative. So that is the meaning of same sign. Proof. Given here delta is less than 0, check that delta is less than 0. That means b square minus 4ac less than 0. By taking minus common or multiply with minus, we will get 4ac minus b square is greater than 0. What does it mean? That means 4ac minus b square is positive. Right. Now, just to take ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c by a. Okay. Now divide with a, you will get x square plus b by ax plus c by a. After simplification by adding b by 2a whole square and minus b by 2a whole square and multiply and divide with 2 here, you will get x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay, right. Now, what does it mean? Ax square plus bx plus c by a is equal to this value, right? Here, x plus b by 2a is under square. So, definitely this value will be positive. Even though it is negative, when you do square, it will become as a positive. So, this is positive value. Plus, already we discussed about this. 4ac minus b square is positive. So, it is also positive. Positive plus positive, positive. So, at final step, we can write ax square plus bx plus c by a is greater than 0. Means positive plus positive, positive. Right. It is a fraction, right? Rational fraction. Positive value by positive is equal to positive, or negative value by negative is also positive. That means to get a positive answer in a fraction, numerator value, denominator value should be have the same sign. Here also the meaning same. To get a positive answer, numerator and denominator should have a same sign. So we can conclude that a and ax square plus bx plus c have same sign. Same sign. Okay. What is same means? If a is positive, expression is also positive. If a is negative, expression is also negative. Theorem 2. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has equal roots, that means delta is equal to 0, then a and expression will have the same sign for all or except minus b by 2a. Right. Now come to the proof. So here he given in the question delta is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac value equal to 0. So we can write it as 4ac minus b square equal to 0. Keep in a box. Now take ax square plus bx plus c by a value. Okay. according to previous theorem result, we can directly write this value is equal to x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a. Right? So x plus b by 2a is underscore, it is always positive, and 4ac minus b square value we got 0, so this value is 0. Positive value plus 0 is positive value. So that means ax square plus bx plus c by a is positive. Okay, so we can get this kind of positive answer only when numerator and denominator will have the same sign situation only, because positive value by positive is positive, or negative value by negative value is positive. So we can conclude that whenever the numerator and denominator will have the same sign, then only we will get the positive answer. So therefore a and expression ax square plus bx plus c have same sign. Okay. Theorem 3. The statement is, if the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots alpha and beta, then if alpha less than x less than beta, that means x value lies in between alpha and beta, then a and expression will have opposite signs. If x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta, in this case expression and a will have same sign. So this is the theorem. First come to the proof of the first case. What is the given? Alpha less than x less than beta. Alpha less than x less than beta. And also we can write ax square plus bx plus c is equals to a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Right? We can write like that. The given condition, from the given condition, if you take alpha less than x, that means alpha minus x less than 0, that means x minus alpha is greater than 0. From this condition, x less than beta, that means x minus beta less than 0. So here x minus alpha is positive because it has greater than 0 symbol. Here x minus beta is negative. Now come to that. This equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to a into x minus alpha and x minus beta, we can conclude that from 1 ax square plus bx plus c by a is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta. Okay, so that is equal to, already we got x minus alpha value is positive, x minus beta value is negative. Positive, negative, that means less than 0. So ax square plus bx plus c by a is less than 0. When it will happen, either positive by negative or negative by positive. Positive by negative or negative by positive. That means opposite signs. Okay, positive by negative, the answer will be negative. Negative by positive, then also answer will be negative. So it is very clear, a and the expression ax square plus bx plus c has opposite signs. Okay, now come to case 2. Here the statement is, when x is real, for x less than alpha or x greater than beta, the expression and a have the same sign. From equation 1, we have ax square plus bx plus c by a is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta. Already we have this statement. Now first take this one, x less than alpha, and the basic statement of the question we have another condition, that is alpha less than beta. Okay, when x less than alpha, it is very clear x minus alpha is less than 0, that is x minus alpha is negative. Right, here we have x less than alpha and alpha less than beta. So we can write here x is also less than beta. From that, x minus beta less than 0, that is x minus beta is also negative. Now come to 1. From 1, ax square plus bx plus c by a is equal to x minus alpha is negative here. X minus beta is also negative. Negative into negative will get positive. So this is f of x by g of x form. So a fraction is positive only when both values, I mean numerator and denominator both are positive or both are negative, then only we will get positive answer. So therefore ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign. Same sign. This is one case. Here we have another condition, that is x greater than beta. Now take x greater than beta. X is greater than beta. That means x minus beta is greater than 0. So what does that means? X minus beta is positive because greater than 0, right? Here also we have a condition, that is alpha less than beta and alpha is less than beta. So here x is greater than beta and alpha less than beta. We can create another condition, that is x is greater than alpha. So x minus alpha greater than 0. That means x minus alpha is also positive. Therefore, again from 1 we can conclude ax square plus bx plus c by a is equal to positive into positive. X minus alpha is positive, x minus beta is positive. So that is equal to positive. Again same thing. The fraction is positive only when numerator and denominator both have the same sign. Therefore, ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign. Same sign. So this is the theorem. Now come to the questions. How the theorems will help us to find sign of change of a quadratic expression. Come to the first question. The question is here, the expression is x squared plus x plus 1. So we have to find sign of this expression. For that, what is the x square coefficient? So a is equal to 1, that is greater than 0. That means a is positive here. A is positive. Now try to find roots of this equation. So it's very clear here, this discriminant is less than 0. Definitely we will get the imaginary root, even though just find it. Roots are minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. Okay, that means 1, 4 ones are 1 by 2a, again 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root over minus 3, that means I root 3 by 2. So here the roots are imaginary. According to first theorem, if the expression has imaginary roots, then expression and coefficient of x square, that means a, both have the same sign. Here a is positive, so it is very clear the expression x square plus x plus 1 is also positive. Okay, now come to the second question. Right, here the expression is x square minus 7x plus 2. What is the coefficient of x square? A is equal to 1. So here also x square coefficient is positive, that is a is positive. Okay, now try to find the roots of that expression. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus root over 49 minus 12 fours are 48 by 2. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus 1 by 2. So x is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2. 4. X is equal to 3. So one root is 3, another root is 4. We have two different roots, right? Here we have to apply the third theorem. Whenever we have two different roots, you have to use theorem 3. So according to theorem 3, for 3 less than x less than 4, expression and we have the opposite signs. That means here a is positive, right? Then expression is negative. So for 3 less than x less than 4, x square minus 7x plus 12 is less than 0. And for x less than 3 or x greater than 4, for x less than alpha or x greater than beta, expression and a have the same sign. That means here a is positive, right? Then expression is also positive. So we can conclude x square minus 7x plus 12 is positive. This is the way how we are using the three theorem statements to find out the sign change of a expression. Now these three questions for you. Try to find sign of these three expressions with the help of the three theorems. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe the channel.